Man, as you can read the title, dog, I'm too hyped. It arrived today after this big announcement that was supposed to be announced I don't know how long ago. We finally have the package. Bro, I'm about to have a supercharging. What? Crazy, man. This is so hard to keep my mouth shut about this. I was so excited, but lo and behold, here we have Kraftwerks Supercharger kit in here. Dude, God. I was letting everybody talk they mess about Randy being boost and Zosh, you not boost, you the slowest one in the group. Oh, hell, shut your ass. I had posted like a little snippet on Instagram of like the precision sticker. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I've been posting like little hints of like, oh, in 3 more days with like the rocket emoji. And whenever I use the rocket emoji, that means like something's fast or like turbo related or anything like that. So whenever you see me use the rocket emoji, just know it's something that relates to this. So quick little backstory about this before I go unboxing. So many of you guys know I track my Integra as often as I can. And the goal of the Integra was to be a full-on grid life car, but after talking with David from Hybrid, he put a lot of perspective that like, yo, if you throw your Integra into a wall, then like the most iconic thing that you own, or you know, that's what makes you iconic. Like you have a symbol of in the Honda YouTube car, you know what I'm trying to say. Like, how would that make you feel? And I was like, bro, I'd be devastated. Like, I'd probably kick the bucket if I were to crash my car beyond repair at a grid life or a track event. So, with that being said, I was like, buy another car for grid life and then have a fun street car / track-a-day car, but not a full-on track car with my Integra. And lo and behold, we were talking about superchargers. Originally, I was supposed to do this whole kit install with David at Hybrid, but the way schedules are working this year, I was like, let me just go ahead and full send on the kit myself. Let me just do everything here, and then like, you know, it takes the pressure off. Like, when are we gonna do it together with this, that, and the third? When the whole grid life season, Hybrid is fully into Eric's grid life season this year. So it just made sense that, like, you know, if I want to do it, sometimes you gotta do it dolo, pimp. Now, the reason why I went with Supercharger over Turbocharger is because I will be the first person on YouTube to document a full Kraftwerks Supercharger kit on a K-swapped car. Like, there hasn't been one video on YouTube about how to go about installing it, the ins and outs of it, the routing of oil cooler for the Roadtrex charger itself. Like, there's nothing, no build series on a Kraftwerks Supercharger kit on YouTube that pertains to K-swapped cars or RSX or this, that, and the third. This is an opportunity for me to really shine light on this kit, to have a very well documented, somewhat professional, but I still gotta keep it Zosh spec, you know the vibes. But kind of a big reason why I wanted to go Supercharger. Plus, it's different. A lot of people go turbo. Turbo is cool and all. Like, I love turbo. All the homies got turbo, but they don't have a Supercharger. I never had Supercharger. I already had a turbo before on my B series turbo days. But let's unbox this Kraftwerks and go over everything.
Had to step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up.
All right, so here we have everything that came in our Go Artworks / Kraftwerks C3892 Turb Ski Supercharging kit. man, this is gonna be a very exciting build. And it's really not much to a supercharger when it comes to like the K-Series platform. You have your Rotrex blower, and then we have whatever's in here, and then we have our oil cooler setup, because when you do have a supercharger, you do have to run an external oil cooler to cool down the turbo itself. It's a lot of stuff that makes, it's a lot that goes into this. Like, there's a lot of little small things that go into running a supercharger setup, but we're gonna talk about it all. So as you guys can see, like how your so well, you would mount that like that, I guess, but I don't know. We're gonna figure out how to do all of this right here. Here we have the oil cooler itself for the Turbski, and then in here, I don't know what's in here. I gotta find my my blade. I gotta find my blade to open that up. This should be very fun. Here's our 50mm precision PTE blow-off valve. You know the vibes. Whew. Look at that thing. Look at that thing, boy. Sheesh, mamacita. We got the vibes in here, my G's. We got the vibes in here. Oh, man. Yeah. Turbski, bro. Look at the Turbski. The turbo. So I just got off the phone with the homie Roscoe from ILDS. If you guys know about Winterfest Summer Vibes, he just gave me a call. He watched the podcast. It's pretty cool, man. I do want to say thank you to everybody who like checked out the podcast, man. I know those videos usually won't get the views and all that shit, but who gives a shit about the views, bro, when you have an impact? You know what I mean? So all in all, let's talk more about what I got right in front of me. So this kit, everything you see here came from GoAutoWorks. I reached out to Greg in hopes of like forming a partnership. Like, hey, I got this idea that I want to be the like a first person to like really document a Rotrex Kraftwerks supercharger kit on YouTube. And he was like, yo, I'm down for it. So we worked out a little dilly deal. No, if you're asking, you got this for free? No, I didn't. I didn't. I paid, I think, well, a little bit over like $3 grand for everything. So huge thank you to Greg. Only thing I'm waiting on now from Greg is just his GoAutoWorks Rotrex front mount back door intercooler setup for this exact kit for the Kraftwerks Rotrex kit. So once that forward in the mail, then we'll be able to start really mocking up everything. But this video was just intended to show you that I am going forced induction. I was planning on doing this for a minute. I had ordered this kit, I think, when I first did that video of like, Zosh, you need to upload content that people want to see, and I'm pretty sure people are gonna start flocking back to the channel to watch some supercharger content, since there's like nothing on YouTube about this. So should be interesting, should be fun, everything laid out. I'm already overwhelmed. I was going through like the booklet of just like the installation and mounting and all this stuff. I feel like the hard part I'm gonna have is doing all this stuff. Like all this right here is gonna be just, yeah, it's gonna be a pain, but we gonna get it done. So it is the next day. Just took some shots for Instagram to post. But here's the Rotrex, baby. I forgot the millimeter of the kit that I got. I think it's a 110 millimeter. It's a C3892 kit. I'm pretty sure I'm forgetting something, but I don't have a daily yet, so I can't start the process of throwing on the kit until I probably buy a daily this weekend. Today is Friday at the time of this recording, so hopefully this weekend I'll be picking up a new project car / grid life car, all that fun jazz. But until then, it's still my daily, so I can't, you know, start mocking up things, seeing what goes where, and draining the cooler, removing the radiator, all that fugaziness, son. But it's here. Finally about to have some more turbo related content. I mean, that does look like a turbo to me. You feel me? You feel me? I mean, sure, it got all the other stuff on it, but you feel me? I'm super stoked to get this series on the way. This would just be episode 1, just going over everything. I'm pretty sure I'm forgetting something, but just know This will be a very detailed build series because I'm trying to be the first one. Well, I am the first one now on YouTube to do this, so I got to make sure whoever wants to go supercharge with their K-swapped car or whatever, they have a solid foundation to learn off of. And you know, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like on the video. Show me that you're hyped. Show this with your friends. Zosh going supercharge. Yeah, man, yeah. Could have went the boost route. It was around the same price, but you guys probably get tired of seeing boosted K-swap content. Probably not though, because it's nice. Zosh with his 2420 Supercharge Integra. Oh my god, that sounds fire. Can't wait to get this build underway, man. I hope you guys are stoked and excited for this, man. Yeah, I want to give a huge thank you to Greg from Go Autoworks for working with me on this, giving me the great pricing. Bro, I appreciate you. Thank you. And hope this is beneficial to you as it is I. Oh, gotta do my classic. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like on the video. If you not enjoyed the video, leave a dislike on the video. I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of y'all. Thank you for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.